Thank you for calling AutoTrust. May I have your name, please?
Hi, my name's Dave.
Thank you. How may I assist you today?
Just wanted to find out if you guys would be able to service our RAV4 Toyota. It's 2007. Um, we had it into another repair a little while back, and he didn't have the right scanner to test it. So we ended up having to take it into Toyota and Red Deer. They did a scan and came back with a couple oxygen sensors needed to be replaced, and there was a fuel mix, like an oxygen fuel valve, I think, or something that needed to be replaced as well. But they said it was fine to drive anyway in the meantime. So we were driving it this morning. My wife was trying to get to work, and the engine light started flashing, and the vehicle was just kind of like boom, 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 and pulsing or whatever when she put the foot down on the gas. So anyway, I don't know if it needs like a fuel pump or what the deal is. But to find out, first of all, if you guys have the scanner that you'd be able to diagnose it, and then second of all, if you'd be able to help. That's what I need.
Thank you for sharing the details. Let me gather some
Yeah.
information to assist you better. Can you confirm the
Okay.
color of
Thanks. Yeah, it's
Can you
red.
can you tell me how long the check engine light has been on?
Um, I'm not sure how long has the check engine light been on.
No problem, Dave. Is the check engine light on all the time or does it go on?
No, oh, sorry, I should tell you. The check engine light and the what's it called?
Got it. It
Um,
sounds like there are multiple lights involved. Let me confirm. Is the check engine light on all the time or does it go on and off? And could you clarify the other light you're referring to?
the check engine light is on all the time, and there is another light, the four-wheel drive, and there's another one, I don't remember, it's like three letters, but I don't recall which they are.
Thank you for that information. It sounds like there are a few warning lights on, including the check engine light, the four-wheel drive light, and another one with three letters. So make sure the team knows all these details. Would you like someone to call you back at the number you're calling from, a different number, or an email?
The number I'm calling from is good.
Perfect. A member of our team will get back to you as soon as they can. Thank you for choosing AutoTrust. Have a great day.